One of the easiest ways to take care of your HVAC unit, lower your utility bill, and improve indoor air quality is to regularly change your HVAC filter. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, indoor air pollution can be up to 5 times higher indoors than outdoors. Your HVAC filter is your first line of defense in keeping pet hair, allergens, dust, dander, and other airborne contaminants from cycling through your HVAC system and back into your home. As a general rule of thumb, it is recommended that you change your HVAC filter every 30 days. Some filter types can last up to 6 months. Step 1. Locate your return air vents. Some houses will have them in the ceilings, while others will have them in the walls. Step 2. Open the door using the levers. Some may have a couple of screws securing the door. Here you can see that the filter is very dirty, gray, and you cannot see through it. This is an obvious way to know that it is time to change the filter. Some filters are white while others may be blue. There are several different types of filters. Click the link in the description to learn more about the different types of filters. Step 3. Remove the dirty filter. Make sure to write down or take a picture of the filter size so that you can make sure your new filter is the correct size. On the new filter, make sure you notice the airflow arrow. Step 4. Insert the new filter with the airflow arrow pointing toward the inside of the ductwork. Step 5. Close the door and secure the lever or screws. Now go ahead and pat yourself on the back because you have successfully changed your filter.